Hey guys, so welcome back to I am again here. Guys, today in this video I am going to showing you that how you can get 10% off on SEMrush. As we know that SEMrush is one of the most leading tool that comes with 50 plus feature. You can see here. You can get 50 plus feature. If we take a look, you can see in keyword research you can get 6 plus tools. On page SEO you can get 3 plus tool, and similarly if you go for competitor analysis you can get 5 tool, and similarly you can see more tools here. The best news is that now you can get 10% off. If you come down and you can see here, by the way, you can find this link in the description box. The website name iamagainherecom. On this website I will show you that how you can get 10% off on SEMrush. You can see here this is limited time offer, so guys get it as soon as possible. If we come to official website of SEMrush, you can see that trusted by world leading brands like Amazon, Quora, Forbes, Samsung, Apple, and lots of more brands trust on SEMrush. So this is one of the best tool for content marketing, market research, advertising, social media, agency solution, SEO, bloggers for affiliate marketers, YouTubers, and lots of more industry people can take advantage from this. You can see here, this is award-winning tool trusted by the world leading companies. 7 million marketing professionals have already used, and 14 international awards as best SEO software suite. 30% like Fortune 500 companies use SEMrush as their go-to marketing tool. And if you come down you can see they have 20 billion keywords data, 43 trillion backlinks, and 800 million domain names. You can see this is the huge database that SEMrush has, and you can see lots of more feature here. Now guys, let's talk about that how you can get discount on SEMrush. Simply go to Google and type iamagainhere.com and hit the enter button. You can see I am again here. Click on it. Now from here you come down and you can see here coupon, discount, and deals here. Click on get now, and after that you will be landed to this page where you can find different types of coupon code, but we are talking about SEMrush discount code. You can see SEMrush 10% off, and you can see with IQ 50% off. So click on it, and after that you can see SEMrush 10% off, limited time offer verified. Come down, simply click on go to the deal or click on get it now. Right now I am clicking on go to the deal. Now we are on the official website of SEMrush, and simply click on see the offer. Guys, when you click on it you will come down and you can see here we offer you a 10% discount. Cancel anytime, so you don't have to worry about cancellation or anything else. Just buy this tool, as we know that this costs too much, but right now they are offering 10% discount. So simply go to Google and type iamagainhere.com and buy this and use the discount as soon as possible. So guys, this is all about for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe iamagainhere.com for more awesome deals and discount. Simply go to Google and type iamagainhere.com, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.